Have you ever wondered if the Galaxy S25 Edge might be left behind when Samsung rolls out its big One UI 8 update? For months, that has been the big question because when the beta program for One UI 8 launched for the Galaxy S25 lineup, the Galaxy S25 Edge was oddly missing, which led many people to assume there would be a delay for this specific model. Now, new leaks suggest that may not be the case at all. Let's break it down. Samsung has been testing One UI 8 across the Galaxy S25 series for months, and just recently, it rolled out the 5th beta version, showing clear progress toward a stable release. Typically, once a series reaches this stage, it means the final build is just around the corner. The expectation is that the Galaxy S25 series, including the base model, the S25 Plus, and the S25 Ultra, will receive the stable One UI 8 update in September 2025. But what about the S25 Edge, the One device that never joined the beta testing? Well, the good news is that a new internal build has now surfaced online under version number BYH7, and it not only includes One UI 8, but also carries the September 2025 security patch. This suggests that even though Samsung skipped a public beta for the Galaxy S25 Edge, the company has been quietly testing it internally all along. That points to one thing: the update for the S25 Edge is not far behind. In fact, it could launch alongside the rest of the lineup in September, or at the very least, within the same month. If that happens, owners of the Galaxy S25 Edge will not have to wait weeks or months for the software their counterparts on other models are enjoying. And this is important because One UI 8 is more than just a minor upgrade. It brings refinements to performance, smoother animations, better multitasking tools, and even tighter integration with Samsung's ecosystem of apps and devices. Plus, security patches are always crucial, and the fact that BYH7 includes the September patch shows Samsung is already preparing the Edge for day one readiness. So why was there no beta for the S25 Edge? That remains unclear, but it could be that Samsung considered the hardware close enough to the other S25 models that it did not need separate testing in public. After all, companies sometimes skip betas for certain variants to save time, especially when those models share processors, displays measured in inches, refresh rates measured in hertz, or battery capacities measured in mAh. With the rest of the lineup, what matters now is that all signs point toward the S25 Edge not being left out. For users, this means no long wait, no missing out, and no lagging behind on features that others are already enjoying. And let's face it, software updates are one of the biggest reasons people choose premium phones. They want the latest features and the best security without delays. September is shaping up to be a huge month for Galaxy S25 owners, and the S25 Edge looks like it will be part of that wave after all. So, do you think Samsung will push the update to the S25 Edge on the same day as the other models, or will it be a few days later? Either way, things are looking good. If you found this update useful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more simple and clear breakdowns of the latest in tech.